Greetings guys, and thank you for tuning in to this video where I will be showing you the absolute simplest remote starter install for select Mazda vehicles. The product that we're going to be working with today is from StartX. Now this particular remote starter kit applies for the Mazda 3 2014 to 2018 models, all Mazda 6s 2014 and up, all CX-3s 2016 and up, all CX-5 Mazdas 2013 and up, all CX-9 Mazdas 2016 and up, and all MX-5 Miata Mazdas 2016 and up. The install is exactly the same for all of these vehicles, as is the programming. StartX actually has their own video of the installation process, which they provide you with instructions in this little pamphlet in the kit where you can actually access the video with the QR code down here. Now their particular install video does not cover a couple of items, which when I was buying this particular kit, I saw some reviews where the reviewers were a little bit not upset, but were asking for a little bit of more detailed instructions, particularly because their video does not cover the programming piece and it shows just the installation. So I figured I'd put a quick video together to show you how to actually install the product, which is very simple, and how to actually do the programming. Inside of the kit, you're going to find a pamphlet which gives you an overview, the QR code for the video. It gives you installation instructions, the programming instructions, as well as some operational instructions. Furthermore, you'll have the actual module, the harnesses that are needed for the install, nicely supplied, are also zip ties in order to organize everything and properly tuck everything away. And they even include a little pry tool which you will need. The install should be quite simple and straightforward. The first thing that you'll need to do before we get started is to disconnect the negative terminal of your battery. This is a very simple plug and play install. The first thing we'll need to do is to gain access to our plug location. So this plastic trim down here is going to come off. You need to remove one screw here, and then we'll pry the plastic open and then drop this. Once you have the screws removed, you can use the supplied pry tool to separate the plastic cover here and then remove it. Once this is separated, you'll want to drop it down and then pull back, as there is going to be a little latch that you could see right over here, which is actually held right over in here, and that's why you want to pull it outward. Next, you want to pull the plugs, which are going to be one bigger one here and one smaller one here. Once these are pulled out, we're going to connect the harness to these. Once they are out, the next part is pretty self-explanatory. So you're going to have the T-harness and you're going to hook them up to this, and then the opposite ends will go back in the original spots where these were. Once everything is reconnected, what you'll want to do is feed the line through here so that you get it to come out of the bottom, where obviously this is going to plug into the module, and then you can secure it, either zip tying it somewhere, or I'm going to actually route mine inside of the fuse box area here because I have plenty of line, which I really like with this kit. With everything reconnected and put back together and all the wires tucked away nicely, next, don't forget to reconnect your car battery and we will do the programming procedure. First, I'm going to go through the programming instructions and then we will actually perform it. Once the battery is reconnected, you will see on the remote starter module, the LED light will turn red. Wait for it to turn solid red. Once it is solid red, press the vehicle's push to start button twice without pressing the brake, and the LED on the module should flash green. Then we wait. This may take up to 30 seconds. Once the LED module turns solid green for 3 seconds and goes out, we will then push the start button once to turn the vehicle off, and the programming will be complete. So it is solid red. So here we go. We're going to press the push start twice. It is now blinking green, and we will wait until it turns solid green and then should turn off. As mentioned in the instructions, this could take a little while. Solid green for a few seconds and off. Programming is complete. Now we push the start button once to cut the power, and everything should be all set. Next, we're going to test it out and make sure that it works. As with other kits on the market, the nice thing about this is that it uses the factory key fob. So in order to actually start or remote start the vehicle, what you'll want to do is press the lock button 3 times consecutively. And here we go. We'll see if it worked. Now we wait. And it worked. The vehicle started. Beautiful. And just like that, you did the absolute easiest remote car starter install ever. Of quick note, I did see in some of the reviews of this product that people had some issues with their auto window functions after installing this, and that is normal. That interruption happens because of removing the terminal of the battery and then actually messing with the starting program of the car. It's very easy to actually fix it. All you need to do is to reset it. In order to reset it, what you need to do is to actually either start the car or just make sure that the power of the car is on. And then what you'll want to do to reset the window function is to use the two-way switch properly. So the two-way switch meaning if you click up all the way or click all the way down, there's actually 2 clicks there on the auto switches. You don't want to do that. What you'll want to do in order to reset your window is to actually roll it down with the 1 click, which is the manual rolling down function. Once it's all the way down, then roll it all the way up and keep that held in that position once it gets all the way up for about 3 seconds, and then let it go, and that will actually reset the window, and then you'll have the auto function working properly again. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it was beneficial to you, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was beneficial to you.